Someone tell me what is going on. These are plants that I bought. I've been treating no differently, yet they're not happy. And kind of happening over here with those too. Is there a disease that I'm not knowing about? Like, these are all, there's peppers, tomatoes, and the beans. It hasn't frozen. I'm at a loss. Some good news is I finally have little seedlings popping up in the dirt that I thought would be not very workable. So, got the salad blend, Merlot lettuce, the romaine lettuce. I'm waiting for the spinach. I think that might be a little one right there. And then my radishes. So that means I can start planting some more seeds in here, I think. This was our experimental bed. I just planted these. These are from in the house. And then I'm still waiting for my little seedlings to pop up here. But at least now I know there's a chance. And I'm preparing for my asparagus. I'm gonna do this bed, this bed, this bed in the middle. Hopefully that'll be enough room. But they're perennials, and I think I'm getting them on their second year, which is why they're called jumbo. So hopefully next year I can get a few spears. But this year they'll just go to seed. So let's dig a trench for the asparagus. Today was supposed to be a really rainy day. And tomorrow is still supposed to be a really rainy day. But it's nice and sunny. I'm going to use this time to prep for my asparagus. I'm going to prep 3 beds by digging these. Lovely. They say about 6-7 inches deep. And then we got to add a bunch of fertilizers, compost. Since asparagus is a perennial, you want to make sure you give it the best start as possible. So we'll see how this goes in this soil. And these are 4 by 12 beds. This section is 4 by 6. So I have a lot of these to do. So the reason I'm digging a trench instead of holes for this is because of how hard clay-like our beds are. And I want to give them, the roots, as much space as possible to grow. Rocks, 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 rocks. Okay, so 3 beds, 6 areas, all trenched and ready to go. And the reason that I'm doing it in 3 different beds instead of just one bed itself, or maybe a full bed, is companion planting. I'm told that strawberries and tomatoes can be a good thing to have around your asparagus. And it just makes more sense because I'm not going to be harvesting for a year or so. And to me, I would get discouraged having a completely empty bed. Let's see, put bone meal, fertilizer, soaked them in worm tea. About a foot apart from crowns. Okay, so a layer of compost. The Earthworm Soil Factory. The asparagus is now all covered. I'm not going to water it in only because it's supposed to rain again. And I'm going to plant my strawberries around it. These are my strawberry runners from the last house. I put them in this flat just to keep. And now I'm going to put them around the asparagus, and I go to pull them up. And here you go. It's an entire root system. Good thing strawberries are very, very hardy. Got some of the strawberries planted. So remember I have the asparagus in the middle. And I'm going to be putting beans on these trellises over there. Trellis over there. So I have strawberries about 6 on each side. So 12 per bed, 24 per entire bed. And then flipped over here, same thing. You can see I still need to do the irrigation. And then this will have tomatoes in it on either side as well. I'm just kind of spacing things out was what I was doing there. And I kind of ran out from the 2 flats of strawberries. Ran out. I've got plenty over there though. So then I'll finish off here, and then I'll do the same thing over there, because both of these are going to be asparagus, strawberries, and tomatoes. And then I'm sure I'll have plenty left over to sporadically put out here. So this is just one level of the green stalk. Super duper crowded. Oh, little ladybug. There you go. So I need to strip all these out and give them some more space so they can actually produce berries. And I need to clean them out. All this right here. Lots away. See how easy I can pull it out. See? The crowns of strawberries do not like to stay moist. So, let's see, there's a lot of new growth happening in here. So, this is just something that's just popping right out. So they're obviously way too crowded and moist in there. So I don't want my strawberry plants to struggle. I'm so glad that we just planted in the garden today. Ooh, did you see that lightning?
What's the lightning?
That was less than 2 seconds.
The lightning?
I don't know. I don't see any more right now. I'm going to keep it that way.
When did you see a lightning?
I hear it again. My poor plants.
Because they don't like lightning.
Look at the ice falling, Lucy. Look at the ice on your bike. You guys have icy bikes.
Icy bikes. I just, ooh, that was a lightning.
Yeah.
That was like 1 second.
That was right there.
I know. Crazy weather up here in paradise. Us city slickers aren't used to it anymore.
Did God
Here it
die?
goes again.
No, God did not die. You hear him?
Look at the hill, baby. Look, it looks like snow.
Oh, my poor peas. And the strawberries. Ugh. And those things. And the chickens. It almost looks like snow out there. Look at that.
On the bark.
Let's see. You think we'll get any more lightning?
More lightning.
You can hear it on that tin roof over there.
Look at all the ice. Lucy.
It looks like snow.
I know.
My poor plants.
It does look like snow.
Thankfully, at least they're underneath the tree. They're.
It doesn't look like snow.
It looks like freaking snow. Look at that.
On the floor.
I wonder if your parents are having snow or hail.
They're probably having hail.
Look how much is on the trampoline.
They're 400
400 feet higher.
400 feet higher, right? Okay.
Look
at this.
How much is on the trampoline.
It looks like snow. Look at your poor bikes.
Ooh.
Oh.
1, 2.
You can hear it roll across the sky. Oh.
Where is the thunder?
Thunder's in the clouds, baby boy. Look at it. It's just still hailing. It's flipping cold. Yeah. Yeah, it's still hailing.
It looks like snow.
It looks like snow. Look at the snow.
Alright.
And see if I can catch one.
Let's see. Are we going to get any more lightning over us? And look, it's hail snow.
Dad, it's snowing.
Well, it's hail.
It's
Oh, there's lightning.
Luke.
Look, so much hail. Oh, it's a winter wonderland in springtime. Look at the trampoline.
I know, right? Okay, here. Yeah, hold your tail around.
Daddy, can I catch an ice ball?
My poor garden. Look, it's actually getting stuck on the roofs. There's so much.
No. I like lightning. I don't like this.
Are you going out?
Yeah.
Burr. Yeah. Yeah, put him on the trampoline, babe. Oh my. Did you see that? Grab it. Grab it. How's your bald head feel? Are you gonna take James now?
James?
Oh, he's in a towel. Never mind. It's like a nice little winter wonderland. Coming out to check on the plants. Oh, these poor things. It was so nice earlier today. Sunny. At least they're under the tree. I'll be emptying that out. Oh. Poor thing was already struggling. All the ice. Oh, bet the peppers are loving that. Oh, my peas. They look crushed. Poor things. Oh my. Just planted the asparagus and the strawberries in here. That's at least an inch. That's my entire finger. Not draining. Got it so fast. Look at that. It's like a pool. It will drain out. And the chickens, totally fine. But it looks like a little winter wonderland out here. Obviously it's not. It's hail, which is worse. And this is not good. I'm gonna have to flush the line. We don't want backup in that. Good thing chickens do okay in the winters. You guys are muddy. You guys are muddy. Muddy, muddy. And my new little seedlings are probably gonna go bye-bye down in that bed. I emptied this before I went in earlier. So yes, it was nice and sunny earlier. Planted the asparagus and the strawberries, and now it's covered in ice and completely soaked. Hopefully it drains shortly. This is a fun experience. Our trampoline covered. Yeah. Definitely pooling. You can see the roofs of the hail. And for those that live where it snows all the time, this is nothing for you guys, but this is new to me. And just like that, it is sunny again, with everything melting and dripping. And my poor plants. Whew. Might have to get some more starts. Chickens are enjoying it though. The muddy, muddy chickens. Marshmallow, you're not very white anymore, Chica. The heck? Still nice and stormy off in the distance. Still have some flooded beds over there. My poor little, they got shredded. Hopefully they can rebound. But my goodness. Not so bad. Nice sunset going on behind. Wonder what tomorrow will bring. Supposed to have rain again tomorrow. Let's see.